Card 13. Nightmares of Nature. Red-kneed tarantula. In the rocky scrubland of Mexico, a beautiful but deadly tarantula lurks. The Mexican red-kneed tarantula is huge, hairy and as deadly to its prey as it looks. It's a master at sensing other creatures that are around it, and keeps its weapons ready. While its bite is lethal to insects, lizards, and rodents, it is relatively harmless to humans. Fatal fangs. The red-kneed tarantula normally keeps its large jaws tucked underneath its body when it's time to take care of prey. However, the spider rears up and the fangs spring out to deliver a fatal bite. Silk stalker, any prey that puts up a fight during the tarantula's attack is quickly immobilized. This spider uses its silk spinning abilities to tie up larger prey until the venomous bite takes effect. Creature features. Species: Brachypelma smithi. Size: body length up to 4 n, leg span up to 7 n. Habitat: dry areas of western Mexico. Prey: large insects, small mammals, and reptiles. Lifespan: up to 30 years.
Hello, I'm Barbara.